Now we will study classification of mixtures in detail. Mixtures can be classified in 5 manners. The first manner is on the basis of its phase. There are 3 phases: solid, liquid and gas. If the components are present in same phase, then the mixture is homogeneous in nature. And if the components are present in different phases in the mixture, in the different states in the mixture, then the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture can also be called a solution. So, a solution is defined as a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. According to this, even air and alloys are also called solutions. Therefore, a homogeneous mixture has uniform composition throughout its mass, whereas heterogeneous mixture do not have uniform composition throughout its mass. Let us perform an activity to see what is meant by homogeneous and what is meant by heterogeneous. I have water in 2 containers and I have chalk powder and common salt with me. Now if I add common salt in water and stir it. Now what do you observe? You can see common salt dissolve completely in water. That means it has uniform composition throughout its mass, so it is called a homogeneous solution. Similarly, if we add chalk powder, let me put the entire chalk powder in water. Let us stir this solution. Now what is your observation? You can observe that chalk powder is settling down at the bottom. It has less concentration at the top and more concentration at the bottom. That means it does not have uniform composition throughout its mass. Therefore, it is also called heterogeneous in nature. The example of heterogeneous mixture is chalk powder and water, whereas example of homogeneous mixture is common salt in water. Now, common salt in water is also called a solution because it is homogeneous in nature. So, all the homogeneous mixtures are called solution, whereas heterogeneous mixtures are not called solution as they do not have uniform composition throughout its mass. Based on number of components, mixtures can be classified as binary, ternary or quaternary, etc. Binary means it is a mixture of only 2 components. Say for example, chalk powder and water. There are 2 components in the mixture, water and chalk powder, or salt in water. Again 2 components. These 2 are examples of binary mixture. But if I mix this mixture into this mixture, that is water and chalk powder mixture is mixed in water and common salt, then we will have 3 components: water, common salt and chalk powder in the container. Then we will call that mixture ternary mixture. Okay.